Alrighty, so here we have our classroom set up. Your page looks something like this. Mine says B here in the corner because, well, my name's Benito. It'll say yours. Remember, some people changed theirs last time. Like I also learned French, but right now I'm on Spanish. Let me slide down and see what my assignment is. Oh, here it is. Assignment is school. It's due in 6 days. School. And right there, the pencil is school. I'm going to get started. Okay, Adelaide. Well, you know what? I'm not going to do this one. This one's too easy because it says the book. I can clearly see that's the book. El libro. Fantastic. I like it when people explore things by themselves. And we have the teacher. Cool. The teacher. El maestro. Oh, man, what's that? All right, looks like we're ready to get involved with the students. So it's going to go in alphabetical order. So Adelaide, then Augustino, then Ariella, then Blake, then Braylon, then Dwayne, then Ian, then Kieran. If somebody comes in a little bit later in the class, please let me know. So Adelaide, what was the first word? Listen. Adelaide, what do you think the first word is? If you don't know how to say it, you could just spell it. Rule, capital letters. So if you didn't know what it was, I could still know that the capital letter is probably going to be the first part. All right, un. Own what? For an extra bonus point, Blake. Do you think you know what that word means? Libro. Very good. It's what's de. It means of. A book of, and as our friend already said, español. Always remember in Spanish class, it does help to have headphones on. Great job. Thank you. All right, school. That one's E. Look down here. There's no A down here. I could pick need, pen, coat. Oh, I do see the A. I am sorry. I apologize. There was an A here. But that A is not capital. So it can't be that one. It's got to be something that's capital, dude. Very good. He guessed it, but if you didn't know it, you could pick hover above it and then it'll tell you need. I need. Adelaide, is your microphone working? Okay. So we can, yep, A. And that gives, right, maybe passport. Oh, when I hover above it, it says no, it's supposed to be pen. Ooh, una clase de español. Well, I know clase is probably class, but you need something in front of it. Again, I look at my sentence and I think, oh, it's got to be a capital letter to start it off. A class Spanish. Well, that sounds weird, doesn't it? If I say A class Spanish, that's not the way we talk in English, is it? Error. I can't say in English. It sounds funny if I say A class Spanish. That's not the way we talk in English. How would I say it in English? English, we say it kind of backwards. We say A Spanish class. Now, I could say a class about Spanish or a class of Spanish, but in English, a lot of times we make it as short as humanly possible and we just say a Spanish class. And you got it right. Great job. Then you're going to get some kind of message like this. All right. An easy class. If you didn't know, you could guess because it's the capital. All right. Okay, what do you think? How do I say this word? This one, the Facil. Try to say that word. Pretty good. Pretty good. Thank you. And oh, very good because it almost looks the same. What? Oh man, look at that. Un fácil clase. In Spanish, just like we noticed in the last one, this one was backwards. I had to put, wait, what did I? Yeah, I had to put clase fácil. See down here? When you get it wrong, down here to tell you what you did wrong. See, I did un, that's right. But in the correct form, I had to put class first and then easy. They are backwards in Spanish. Oh, that was a tough one. All right, I think we have, and you're going to notice this too. If you get one wrong, later on they'll come back and ask you again. Una clase fácil. See, I had to do it backwards. Remember, that one was backwards. All right, so I'll finish up. Ta-da, ta-da, ta. I'll see my bonus points. Doo-doo. 1 day streak. I've only done Duolingo for 1 day. All right, am I done? Ian, am I done? With my assignment. Did I finish my assignment? No, I did not. I have to go all the way till this gold crown is full. If you don't know it that way, you can look over here. Look at this. I've only done about a quarter of it, so there's 4 more parts to do. All right?